presentation.
Okay. First of all, good afternoon to all, and thank you for providing me an opportunity to present my research. My name is Dr. Meenakshi Bansal, and currently I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Political Science. And the topic of my presentation is Changing Politics of India During COVID-19 and Analysis. I'm going to start with a brief introduction of the topic. As we know, the pandemic COVID-19 is proving hazardous in the present time. It seems that there is no way to stop it completely. Like as we know that the COVID-19 has got started in the month of December last year, until today, even after almost 7 months, it seems that there is nowhere to stop this pandemic. Governments are trying their best to protect their citizens, but still the cases are rising at the rocket speed. In lieu of these, Indian government has also taken many preventive measures to protect the people, such as lockdown at various intervals, establishment of COVID hospitals, and many others. If we gaze upon the politics of our country, then the present pandemic has changed the equations. The political parties are using this crisis as an opportunity to strengthen their opposition. The BJP-led government is giving us workable measures to keep us protective, but other parties are working as fault finder. Like it is natural that the party who is in power try to try to give a solution, but the opposition party always work as a fault founder. If you look over the review of literature, then Abhinraj RS in his paper How Will Coronavirus Change the World Politics and Indian Economy has discussed about the society preserve both life and livelihoods. And in the same way, Rajat Gupta and Anu Madgagar in the article Getting Ahead of Coronavirus, Saving Lives and Livelihoods in India has also mentioned that how India, like this coronavirus will affect the Indian economy and most importantly its politics and human life also. Like in this paper, there are basically three main objectives. First is to discuss the changing coming in the Indian politics. Second, to study the BJP-led government steps taken during COVID-19. And the third is to discuss the Congress party steps during COVID-19. Like now the question arises that why we are discussing the Congress party, as we know that after the there in Indian politics, there are two major parties. First is BJP and second is Congress. Congress right now is in opposition and BJP is right now in power. If you look at the research methodology for the present paper is explanatory in nature. The data has been collected from secondary sources such as articles, papers, browsing materials, etc. The present paper is limited only to BJP and Congress party. Like why I'm mentioning this, because in India there are many parties. Even if we look at the central level, then there are seven main national party, and in fact on the regional level there are many parties. So it is crucially important to mention my study area, which is only limited to BJP and Congress party. Now I'm coming to the analysis and findings of my paper. Like as I have told earlier, my first objective was to study the changing coming in Indian politics. So in the analysis, I'm discussing this first point, that is the changing coming in Indian politics. Like if we talk about the changes, then on the one hand, parties are helping people, as we have noticed in the cases of daily wages workers, whereas on the other hand, there are many parties who are trying to just smoke each other. Like if we as we know that last 2 to 3 months, Congress party had just announced that they will provide free buses to the daily wages workers to reach their homes. But when we studied that whether they are really providing the buses, then we found that it was just a joke. They don't provide any kind of thing. The second objective was like BJP-led government steps taken during COVID-19. Like in this point, I'm gonna discuss that what steps have BJP governments taken. Like in that, the BJP government, that is our present government, has announced lockdown at different intervals, has also established hospitals and provided funds to the needy people. if we visit the bank, then the SBI bank is also provided a COVID loan to the needy people. And if you talk about the Congress party steps, then the Congress party is working very effectively in highlighting the loopholes present in government affairs, but also as I have also discussed earlier, the incidents of providing free buses to workers has shown the other side of the our government. If Now I'm coming to my conclusion part. In my conclusion, I would like to say that the Indian politics is changing with the need of time. It has emerged as more people oriented, and now the positivity towards government among people can be visible at every corners. Although many problems such as false claims, mimicry of people rights are evident in worker situations, but still we cannot deny the changing approaches of people towards his government and governments towards his people. I'm talking about the implications. If we talk about the implications, then the present paper would be really helpful in having an insight into the politics of our country. And although its practical implication is limited, still the importance of politics in any nation, especially in the time of present crisis, is prominent. Well, thank you. That's the end of my presentation.
Uh, well, ma'am, can you once again repeat your presentation topic, ma'am, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir. Just a second. Sir, it was changing politics of India during COVID-19 and analysis.
Well, ma'am, we have a little kind of political games which we are regularly seeing at this time, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Does we have some kind of impact from the Chinese, means China government was showing the impact in our government, which was been
Yes, sir.
creating some kind of disturbances and some kind of buzz in political
Mm.
point of view. So, as per your point of view, does whatever the government giving the decisions in against of the Chinese, like in a point of BJP and like in a point of government, Congress, in which kind of pattern is which was been effective as per your view?
Sir, in my view, like BJP government is more efficient in tackling with the Chinese government. As we know, Congress government always work as a mute spectator, while whereas if we look at the activities of BJP government, they are like ready to give the answer. They don't get fear. They don't get fear from the Chinese. They are ready to give them answers, as we seen in the cases of activities we have noticed in this month. Sir, any other question?
Well, anyone have any kind of queries? Kindly ask to her.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the work done by the Congress during this pandemic? Is there any work done by
Uh,
the Congress party?
yes, ma'am. First of all, Congress party is working as a fault finder. They are always trying to find the faults in the BJP government's activities. Second, they announce the they announce the free buses for the daily worker to reach their homes. But all this was just a prank to themselves.
Can
No,
I proceed?
yeah, ma'am. Now you proceed.
Okay. I'm Dr. Kavita Rani, Assistant Professor from MMDU Mulana, Ambala, Haryana. Here I'm presenting a paper which is prepared by me and my colleagues, Shalu Diman, Assistant Professor. The paper title is Impact of COVID-19 on Lifestyle of People. In introduction, I will start with introduction. I'm not able to see my presentation on this screen, but I'm doing this from laptop. So I will start with introduction. This disease, everybody know what is COVID-19. This is respiratory disease their symptoms are cough, fever, and in more severe cases, difficulty in breathing. And now two more symptoms are there. Taste, there is a no taste and lack of smell. These are two new symptoms of this disease. And in this paper, in present paper, I would like to say, I would like to state that what is the impact of this disease on lifestyle of people. And this paper is written by me on the basis of online survey of 100 people. The main objective of this present paper is to explain the concept of COVID-19, and uh, in with this also, what is the impact of COVID-19 on the lifestyle of people. The finding of this paper suggested that people become more familiar with friends, relatives, uh, and gave good time to relation during this pandemic. So it's all about uh, introduction. And now review of literature. Review of literature is really very important, but there is lack of review of literature because this is some new area of study, but we can correlate it with last studies also. But here some paper which are written in 2020 during this COVID-19. There is a paper, Mohit studied that the psychological impact of during the crisis of COVID-19. And finding of his paper is that there is uh, higher impact of this pandemic is on younger and female at psychological level. So impact is on younger and female at psychological level. And in another paper, Pratigya studied that online learning is preferred and educational institutions, because there is no option other than online learning. And students are preparing their for their competitive exams like JEE, NEET, etc., with online education. And we people, we educationists also using online webinar. You can see this webinar is also online. So we can't think like this type of uh, online study. Only this during this pandemic we have to shift our concentration on online teaching, i.e. ICT based teaching and learning. uh, there is another paper, Angelo, who study the impact of uh, COVID-19 on the obesity level of adults. There is increase in obesity level, obviously, because there is no outing, there is no they are staying home and they are eating more food than earlier. And another paper also, there was Maza, who studied that in her article that uh, also observed that person can learn more effectively from society rather than learn the things individually. If we are doing work in an organization, we think about holidays, and we think about that there should be some space for individual level. But now when we are at home, we are just realizing that there is need of social, there is need of society also. So we can feel that there is a need of some social uh, uh, society. There is a need of society, we can feel that now when we are at home. What is the objective of study? The main objective of study is to explain the concept of COVID-19, and the second objective is what is the impact of COVID-19 on the lifestyle of people. Research methodology. The present paper is a descriptive paper based on information provided by primary data collected through online survey of 100 people, and also various secondary sources, mainly online available data. And next, there is a table of demographic profile of respondent, where we can see that there are the table result table 1 show the demographic profile of the respondent. As per table 1, the result of survey shows that 51% respondent are from other than employee and businessman. Female respondent are more than male. So there is great impact on female than male, also on male, but female. In my according to my study, in case of age wise segregation of data, maximum respondent belong to age less than 25-year age group means young people. Young age group is more affected by COVID-19 as they spend more time outside the home for various reasons like for education, coaching, job, career, training, and many more. And income from the group less than 1 lakh shows the correlation between the youth, mostly students who are doing study as well as doing their part-time work for their pocket money and for their educational expenses, and less income as they are doing some part-time jobs with their study or career planning. So the result shows very informative and useful data about the income status. And next table, there are some questions like which kind of expenditure can be seen as decreased during COVID-19. As you can see in table, shopping. 64% are respondents says that their shopping, obviously shopping is decreased due to less outing, where you are spending most of time during COVID-19. Watching web series, scrolling social media, and improving skill. But there is the implication says that the study result of the study says that improving skill is uh, imp- uh, most people are improving their skill in this pandemic. They are learning some are learning dancing, cooking food, and so on, spending more time with family and become habitual of eating homemade food are major changes in lifestyle of people. They are
Hello,
habitual of eating home food. Hello.
ma'am. Can you
Yes.
conclude?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you conclude?
Okay, I'm concluding. 1 minute. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that there are some positive and some negative effect of not only in lifestyle, also on environment, or also in, of course, by on in the whole segment of whole world. So, I would like to state some positive effect of COVID-19. First of all, habitual of spending time with parents and staying in home. There is time for many activity like studying, cooking, dance, etc. We became more familiar with friends, relative, and gave good time to relations. Unnecessary outing is less nowadays, and time is available for self. Second positive impact is lockdown is proven good for nature also. Pollution rate decrease in many cities. According to NASA, ozone layer also self-healing. Now it's alarming call for the human to stop exploiting the nature and start taking care of surrounding so that every creature of mother nature can live on this planet with equal opportunity. And next is I would like also share some negative effect of COVID-19. First of all, because of this pandemic, we people are becoming lazier and feeling scary from going anywhere. The relationship are also getting affected because there is no interaction. Second one is domestic violence is also increased as per news reports. Increases in activity toward employment and future concern. We are not sure for our employment in future, and the day whole routine get disturbed. Now our day routine is also get disturbed. There is no proper timing of our working or cooking or eating. All things are disturbed. All time schedule of our life is disturbed now. Next, health problem are surfacing because of lost or impaired physical activity. Physical activity are reduced. uh, Life being limited to gadgets, we are depend on gadgets like mobile phone, video games, TV, laptops, etc. Less freedom and more vigilance. Parents this is complaint from young people, young student, because they are at home and their parents give them less freedom, and there is more vigilance. What are they doing? Next, during this pandemic, social distance is become a serious issue, and one another problem is mental health problem. And next, I'm just concluding. There is only two or more point. Due to COVID-19, fear life become hopeless. There is hopelessness in the people. So by doing worship of God, people feel better. And due to lockdown, uh, people can't travel anywhere, and missing street food also, as per the response of one respondent. Excessive use of mobile phone, this is another negative point of COVID-19. This is all about my paper. Now it's uh, uh, it's over, and my paper is complete. Now you can ask any question now.
Ma'am,
Hello.
thank you for your presentation, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Yes.
once repeat your title, ma'am? Presentation title.
Yes. I'm impact of COVID-19 on lifestyle of people. Impact of COVID-19 on
Yeah.
lifestyle of people. Sir, there is a mistake in my spelling of my name. There is my spelling is Kavita, not THA. Please correct this
Okay, ma'am. 10.
for further. Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Any
And
other
I
question?
have a small doubt, ma'am. Like as you were
Okay.
saying, the impact, right? How the
Yes.
impact has been taken place. So, ma'am,
Okay.
as in our routine lifestyle, most of the
Yes.
employees or most of the personalities like employers are always trying to
Okay.
gain earnings for their regular life expenses, right?
Okay.
But due to this lockdown period, so many of employees are losing their employment,
Yes, sir.
and at the same time, as per our economic time, our economic also facing some kind of issues regarding like
Yes,
in a
sir.
way of financial issues. Did you
Yes, sir.
think, ma'am, it will be recover as soon as possible, or it maybe take some more time for recovery from this kind of issues?
Sir, it will take time. It will take time. I think 1 or 2 year, but with the coordination we can heal it. Salary can be reduced, which is already reduced. Uh, there can be more measures. There can be some another type of work which can be given to, if there is scope of that, like that. This issue will suffer us, I think, for next 2 year also.
Okay.
Because many people are getting retrenched from their job. Many people are getting half salary, and many people are getting even no salary, and even no security of job after lockdown. There are so many implication of this COVID-19 on the employment of people uh, in all sector, else government employee.
Well, ma'am,
Any
well,
other question?
uh, did anyone have any kind of queries? Kindly ask to her. Only one
Ma'am,
question
I
was
have
allowed.
one question. Ma'am, in the positive impact, you mentioned that uh, we are spending time with parents, so our relationship are
Yes.
getting better. But on the other hand, in the negative impact, you have mentioned that relationship are getting affected. Can you please elaborate?
Yes, yeah, according to opinion of some respondent, there are two type of response. Maximum
Mhm.
response are positive. If they can't do they can't do did in past, but they can give time now. But in some cases there are also negative effect. But there is a negative effect with the relationship between uh, husband and wife, not parents, not with parents. But there are both, according to answer of respondent, there are both, as well as negative and as well as uh, positive effect, and but positive effect are more. So I mention also negative effect in my presentation. It's all on the basis of responses by respondents.
Well, ma'am, thank you for your presentation, ma'am.
Okay.
Meenakshi ma'am and Kavita ma'am, right?
Hanji.
Ma'am,
Okay.
thank you for your presentation. And at the end of these 3 days of conference, we are conducting a mega session, ma'am. In that session, I
Okay.
mentioned the entire feedback of entire papers at that time,
Okay.
and also I
Okay.
mentioned whatever the benefit means, whatever the extra benefit. I am already said that we are giving a chance of opportunity for each and every academician who are participating in this event, right? At that time, I will
Okay,
announce
sir.
what is the benefit or what is the preference thus we are giving to you. At that time, I will
Okay, sir.
clearly explain you about this all kind of things, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. And well, thank you
Okay.
for your presentation, ma'am. Thank you for both
Uh,
of you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much, ma'am.
sir, for cooperating.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much. Uh, can you all exit from this meeting? The meeting has been over. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.